Look! Shall we open them? Come on then. Come on. Let's open them.
No thanks.
Oh! I'll yeah, just a minute. I'll stick them in. So let's see yours.
Thanks.
Should we only have him two?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at those with me. These are stands that they stand them on, but I think it's only in here instead of all the wire.
Yeah.
Oh, look. But, do you know what I think they can do with them? Little people that you can really make a sound. However, let me drop the other trolleys.
Leave the other two till tomorrow and then.
Yeah, I'll leave the other two.